Okay, so let's go in direction for use, which is on the other side. And there's all the directions on how to do it. Say 1 pound, 400 square feet is about 10 to 12 minutes. Half pound, 200 square feet. 3/4, 300 square feet. 1 pound, 400. 1 pound, 500 square feet. All the ingredients. Okay, so this basically, you feed every 7 to 14 days for best results, and this includes outdoor plants, flowers, vegetables, trees, shrubs. Okay, and it'll tell you exactly how to do it and feed. Pretty cool. So this one right here, it is a 1 pound. 1 pound. So this cover about 400 square feet. This one right here. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go use it and see how it works. Awesome. So before I go use it, open it up. Show you a little bit of the inside. Okay. Real nice design, and there you go. Make sure you take the plastic off. And that's it right there. That is pretty cool. Okay, and now it's time to feed the plants. Okay, so today I will feed the plants. So you can see on top is a shower, jet, and flat. Those are the tips. Let's try it out. You can see that, you can see the blue. So once the bottle fills up pretty much, it start coming out. So you try to put it, you can see the blue. It's pretty cool how the tip works. Love it, love the tip. I try to use the little shower one because I don't want to overkill it. Now if I wanted to change it, this is the jet. See how it's a little different? That's if you want to try to get under it. You can see the blue. Pretty cool. So then you have the flat, and just like that. So for me, I personally like the shower one. It doesn't hit it that hard. I'm trying to get all those flowers. And I'm gonna keep doing this, see if they grow. This is the one I'm having a little issue. Hopefully this will help. It does say to use the feeder. So let's see what happens. See what happens. Well, the machine itself is awesome. Perfect.